Taipei is one of Asia's most striking cities from above. A vast urban landscape fills a green mountain basin. Forested peaks rise almost immediately behind the skyline, and one extraordinary skyscraper towers above everything around it. And that unmistakable landmark is where we begin. Our first stop is Taipei 101. Aerial views of Taipei reveal the enormous tower rising dramatically above the Xinyi District. Its distinctive stacked design makes Taipei 101 instantly recognizable against the surrounding city and mountains. At 508 meters tall, it dominated the world's skyscraper rankings when it opened and remains the defining symbol of modern Taipei. From above, highways and dense neighborhoods spread outward while green mountains form a natural wall around the city. At ground level, the scale of Taipei 101 becomes even more impressive. Head inside and the high-speed elevators carry visitors toward the observation levels. From high above Taipei, the entire city basin opens beneath you. On clear days, mountains appear in almost every direction. Around sunset, the landscape begins changing as lights appear across the enormous city below. And after darkness, Taipei 101 becomes a brilliant focal point within the illuminated skyline. For another spectacular perspective, our next stop is Elephant Mountain. Aerial views around Taipei show the forested slopes rising directly beside the modern Xinyi skyline. The trail climbs through dense greenery toward a series of famous viewpoints. From the upper sections, Taipei 101 stands almost perfectly framed against the city. Skyscrapers fill the foreground while mountains surround the distant urban landscape. Late afternoon is particularly beautiful as warm light falls across the towers. Stay through sunset and Taipei gradually transforms into a sea of lights beneath the mountain. It is one of the defining views of the Taiwanese capital. From Elephant Mountain, we return to the modern Xinyi District. Aerial views reveal Taipei 101 surrounded by broad avenues, contemporary towers and some of the city's largest commercial buildings. This is Taipei at its most modern. Shopping centers, restaurants and public spaces fill the streets beneath the skyscrapers. At night, illuminated buildings create a completely different atmosphere. But Taipei's skyline is only one part of the city. Our next stop takes us toward one of its grandest historic landmarks. Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall stands within an enormous public square in central Taipei. From above, the white memorial with its blue-tiled roof dominates the landscape grounds. The National Theatre and National Concert Hall face each other across the broad plaza. Traditional architectural forms create a dramatic contrast with the modern city beyond. Walk through the enormous Liberty Square arch and the scale of the complex becomes immediately apparent. Gardens, pathways and open spaces surround the main memorial. Climb the steps and you gain an elevated view back across the entire square. It is one of Taipei's most recognizable architectural scenes. From central Taipei, we now move toward the northern edge of the city. Yangmingshan National Park reveals just how closely Taipei is connected to the surrounding landscape. Aerial views show forested mountains rising above the urban basin. The park is known for volcanic scenery, walking trails, grasslands and seasonal flowers. On clearer days, elevated areas provide broad views back toward Taipei. The skyline appears in the distance beneath layers of green mountains. It feels remarkably removed from the dense city only a short journey away. Our next experience combines another famous Taipei tradition with its volcanic landscape. Beitou is known for natural hot springs. The district sits beneath green hills on the northern side of the city. Steam, hot spring resorts and Japanese-influenced architecture give the area a completely different character from central Taipei. Beitou Hot Spring Park provides an easy introduction to the district. Nearby, the Thermal Valley is one of its most visually distinctive natural sights. Steam rises from mineral-rich water surrounded by greenery. It is another reminder that Taipei is not simply a landscape of towers and busy streets. Mountains and volcanic terrain remain remarkably close to the city. From Taipei's natural surroundings, we return toward one of Taiwan's most famous cultural institutions. The National Palace Museum holds an extraordinary collection of Chinese art and historical objects. Its grand building sits against green hills on the northern side of Taipei. Inside are collections spanning centuries of Chinese history. For visitors interested in art, ceramics, calligraphy and imperial culture, this is one of Taipei's essential stops. And after several minutes above Taipei's skyline, mountains and monumental landmarks, we now move into the older streets where the personality of the city becomes much more intimate. Our next stop is Longshan Temple. Longshan Temple is one of Taipei's most famous and important temples. Its ornate rooftops, carved details and colorful decorations create a dramatic contrast with the dense city surrounding it. Inside, incense drifts through the courtyards as worshippers gather around elaborate altars. The temple remains an active place of worship rather than simply a tourist attraction. Just outside, the surrounding Wanhua district reveals another side of Old Taipei. Traditional shops and historic streets sit beneath modern apartment buildings. From here, we move toward one of the liveliest parts of the city. Ximending is often described as Taipei's answer to Shibuya. Large screens, colorful signs, shops and crowds fill the pedestrian streets. During the day, it is one of Taipei's busiest shopping and entertainment districts. After dark, Ximending becomes even more energetic. Restaurants fill, signs illuminate and crowds move between shops, cinemas and food stalls. Our next experience is one of the biggest reasons to visit Taipei: the night markets. And the most famous is Shilin Night Market. As evening arrives, the surrounding streets fill with food stalls, shops and visitors. Taiwanese street food is the main attraction. Fried chicken, pepper buns, dumplings, noodles and countless snacks make the market easy to explore one dish at a time. Bubble tea is another Taiwanese creation that has become famous around the world. Trying it in Taipei adds another simple food experience to the journey. For something particularly famous, look for xiaolongbao. These delicate dumplings contain meat and hot broth beneath thin wrappers. Taipei's food culture extends far beyond the night markets. Small restaurants, breakfast shops and noodle houses appear throughout the city. Beef noodle soup is one of Taiwan's best-known comfort foods. Braised beef, rich broth and noodles combine into a dish found everywhere from simple local shops to specialist restaurants. Our next stop takes us toward another historic part of central Taipei. Diwa Street is known for traditional shopfronts and one of the city's oldest commercial districts. Historic buildings line a street filled with tea, dried foods, herbs and traditional goods. The surrounding Dadaocheng neighborhood offers a slower atmosphere than Ximending or Xinyi. Nearby, the Tamsui River provides open views beyond Taipei's dense streets. For another easy escape from the center, take the metro toward Tamsui. This riverside district sits where the river approaches the coast. The waterfront is ideal for walking while shops and food stalls fill the surrounding streets. Late afternoon is especially popular. As the sun begins to fall, the riverfront becomes one of the Taipei area's classic sunset experiences. But for our final view, we return to the city itself. Taipei after dark is when its geography becomes most dramatic. Taipei 101 rises above the illuminated Xinyi skyline. Roads and neighborhoods spread across the basin beneath dark mountain silhouettes. From elevated viewpoints, the city appears almost completely surrounded by nature. That is what makes Taipei so distinctive. Ancient temples survive beneath modern buildings. Night markets remain part of everyday city life. Hot springs and volcanic mountains sit remarkably close to enormous shopping districts. And Taipei 101 rises above it all as one of Asia's most recognizable skyscrapers. Taipei may initially appear quieter than some of Asia's largest capitals. But its combination of mountains, food, culture and modern city life gives it a character entirely of its own. And that balance is what makes the Taiwanese capital such a rewarding city to explore.